are installing a pedestal sink. I've already installed this, the drain. Now we're getting this lined up. Already cut this back. And that pipe's ready to go to line up with the P-trap. All right. Let's see, clean these off, see how they are. All right, got some new seals here. Go ahead and put that back on. Let's get this seal on. Slip that back. Okay, boom, perfect. It's lined up. All right. And put it on this side. All right, oh, perfect. This will be the coupler that goes with it. So we're going to go ahead and lock this in first. Just kind of turn it in, it's easy. Run it back as far as it goes. Okay. Crank it with the wrench a couple times. Connect it to this. All right, let's find out where our, make sure it's level. All right, so we got everything lined up, as you can see, right where we want it. Let me see if I can get the light in there so you can see that better. This is connected in the drain. Everything's lined up. All right. We'll connect those as soon as I mount this to the wall. All right, so we got our lag bolts, washer, a little rubber piece just to help with porcelain. Got our driver. Let's go ahead and check it. All right, so we drilled the holes in. Now we're gonna get the bolts into the holes. Now we're gonna lock them in. All right, so using our ratchet set, we're putting these lag bolts in. We'll lock it to the wall. All right, so let's tighten down. Go ahead and get the supply lines up in there now. All right. Whew. I'll use this to tighten it up. All right, there it is installed. Checking for any leaks or anything. Everything's tight.